Hey folks, so this small little critter here is a transmitter for the DJI Mic Mini, and what I'm going to do today is show you how you can connect this little thing to the DJI Pocket 3. Now the great thing is, because DJI's ecosystem is designed to work together, there is actually already a DJI receiver built into the Pocket 3 and some of their other cameras as well, such as the Osmo Action 4 and the 5 Pro. So all you need is the single transmitter to get this to work. You can actually get the single transmitters available separately, and you will be saving yourself a lot of money. And these things are absolutely fantastic. I'm using one right now, okay? You can barely see it, but the sound quality is fantastic in my opinion, and the range on these things at up to 400 meters, which is a quarter of a mile, is just insane. So let's go ahead and get this set up to the Pocket 3 so you can see how simple the process is in order to get going for yourself. So let's go ahead and get the Pocket 3 turned on here, and if we just scroll down from the top, then we can go ahead and access the settings icon here, and you can just see there the wireless mic option at the top. So let's select that, and here we get to choose transmitter 1 or transmitter 2. Now I already have the DJI Mic 2 set up to transmitter 1. It's currently turned off, so it's not showing up, but I'm going to not select this option and instead select transmitter 2 right here. So we're going to select that, and it's going to bring up the screen that tells us it's now searching for a wireless mic transmitter. So let's go ahead and turn on the Mic Mini here. And once that's turned on, we are going to see the link button just here. We're going to hold that down for a moment until it starts flashing, just like that. Okay, and now it's doing that. It's just going to take a moment to connect. And there we go. We get the confirmation that it has now connected to the Pocket 3. Very, very easy that was. And every time we turn the Pocket 3 on and turn this mic on, they will now automatically connect to one another, and all the audio that we record with this mic will be captured with our Pocket 3 video file. Really simple. Okay folks, how simple was that? DJI have made it very easy for us. And just to clarify, this video has not been sponsored. Both the Pocket 3 and the mini mic system that I own, I purchased myself, but I thought this video would be helpful for those of you that are going for a similar setup. So thanks for stopping by, checking out the content. I'll see you next time.